In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do puts on Webull. We'll walk through placing a simulated put trade in Webull desktop using paper trading, so you can practice safely before committing real money. Start by opening Webull desktop. On the left sidebar, click Paper Trading. This switches you into the simulated account, which is perfect for learning options. If you're ever unsure, glance at the top right account selector to confirm you're in the paper trading account and not live trading. Next, choose a layout that shows a chart and an options widget or options chain. If you don't see the options chain yet, add it to your workspace. Look for a plus sign or the widgets or add widgets button, then find options chain or options in the list and add it. Position it next to your chart or watch list so you can see price action and the options table at the same time. The options chain is where you'll view quotes and place simulated orders directly from the table, which makes trading much faster. Now search for the underlying stock. Use the search bar at the top and type in the ticker symbol, like AAPL or TSLA. Open the stocks page and double-check again that you're still in paper trading by looking at the top right selector. Open the options chain for that ticker. Choose an expiration date that fits your plan. Shorter expirations move faster but decay quicker, while longer expirations cost more but provide more time. Make sure the chain is showing puts rather than calls. There's usually a toggle or filter to switch between them. Buying a put is a bearish strategy that benefits if the stock price drops, and your maximum risk is the premium you pay. Click the put strike you want. That should open an order ticket. If it doesn't, right-click the strike and choose Trade, then Buy to open. In the ticket, set your quantity. Remember, one options contract controls 100 shares of the underlying, so two contracts control 200 shares. Choose your order type. Market orders aim to fill quickly at the current price, but can be less precise, especially if the bid-ask spread is wide. Limit orders let you set the maximum price you're willing to pay, which is often the safer choice in options. Review the details carefully: ticker, expiration, strike, buy to open, quantity, and price. Then submit the trade. After submitting, watch for a fill confirmation and keep an eye on your P&L and Greeks in paper trading. This helps you learn how put prices react to changes in the stock, volatility, and time.